What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. So today I am doing something different. So I'm installing a ginger wig. You can get this wig from my hairline in the link in the description below. So we're gonna start. I already put my ball cap on. If you guys don't know that process, you can go view my other videos on how to do that. But I got the wig on and I put the same makeup I put on my ball cap onto the lace. And then I went in and cut the ear tabs out, and then I'm just doing my two little slits and about to prep my skin. So I went in with the 91% alcohol, and then I think I did like 3 layers because I don't keep my wigs on long. I did either 2 or 3 layers, but I let each layer dry completely, and then after that I laid the lace down. And y'all, this is kind of like a low hairline edition. I have a super low hairline, like the corners where the arch of my eye is at. My hairline is like almost touching it. So the way to deal with low hairlines is really in the plucking of your wig and the placement. So you just have to be really careful. And you gotta really understand your hairline. And after that last layer has dried, I'm now going to lay the lace into my glue. And after we laid the lace down, I did apply my elastic band, and now I'm going to get into styling the hair. Alright, and now I'm going ahead and cutting that lace off. You want to get as close as possible, and you want to make sure it's a jagged motion when you're cutting the lace off. Alright, and now we're about to go ahead and cut our baby hairs and curl them and then lay them. I did forget my mini flat iron, so I had to use my big flat iron. If you know, if you that's all you got, go ahead, but use your mini flat iron.
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying this, also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
And y'all, I didn't do the little sideburns baby hair. I don't know what this little moment here was, but I was like, this is kind of giving. This is giving. So I just left that alone. And I'm pretty much done. I did go in and like do like a different hairstyle. And y'all, I normally do not do color on my hair, so I was like super nervous for this. But it was cute. It was cute. Like, I was feeling it.
I'm making clap, yo. I had them haters asking how you up in that road, and how them umbrellas coming out of that door, how the front doors open up like the back doors. I'll be like, you ain't rich enough. You ain't got my bitch in the Lamborghini bikini on the beach enough. Now you pitching up. Now you pitch with us. She said that champagne nasty. Spit it up. Story just one out of it a hot song. Now the chicks won't tape saying not gone, but it's been 5 times you ain't catch on. Maybe on the next song. I can't let you go without me.
So I know y'all been seeing that viral hairstyle going around with the little up clip, the clip thing. So that's basically what I did, just like in a less complicated way. I literally just like took my sides and just clipped it up. So right here I just clipped it up, but I see it wasn't gonna hold as well. So and then I just put it in a hair tie and then I re-clipped it up.
Guys everywhere, even in the kiss. So why do you think I don't know when you're lying? Know when you're trying to hide how you feel from me? You hate it when you say you can't resist. So why do you keep your secrets alive? You need to let them die.
And guys, this is pretty much the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I don't know why you lie to me. I wish you would confide in me. I tried, my eyes are like a lie machine. I know you try to hide from me.